What's happening, soul travelers? Listen, I am so pumped because I got an arrival. All right, and listen, so this is a sample from one of my manufacturers, and this is the one that's out in California, and who you will actually be receiving your True Intentions collection from as well. So I want you guys to see exactly what this is going to look like when you unbox it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you guys an inside look into the True Intentions collection. A couple hoodies in here and a tee, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I want you guys to see this. See what we're looking like here. Oh man. Dang, that looks good. Not sure what that is for. All right, first things first, let's go with tea. All right, so this is the Passion. Quit playing. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, so Passion tee right here. Beautiful print on the chest. Bring it up a little closer so you can see. We got our Soul Travelers labeling right here. And then on the sleeve, we got the True Intentions collection sewn in. So this is on the tee right here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. Now we got the Passion hoodie. This is for Michelle. Oh yeah, this thing, okay, so the hoodie is super thick. Dang, that looks good. We got, obviously, your Passion right there. Sitting great, positioned great on the chest. Then, same thing, again, we've got our Soul Travelers labeling in here, tagged. And then every piece of the True Intentions collection will have that in place as well too. So this is on the bottom right hem of the hoodie. And this is also too, I didn't show you guys this when I was releasing everything. So on the back of every hoodie, it's got a quote on there. So this is the Passion one. When you catch a glimpse of your potential, this is when passion is born. Zig Ziglar. So that's on the bottom left. You got the True Intentions on the bottom right hem. Soul Travelers on the tag. And then of course, your empowering word across your chest. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Super thick hoodie. So great for you know, a good winter, and probably have to lighten it up for coming into the new season as well. Now we got our Driven hoodie right here. Okay. Again, looking beautiful. Same thing, tagged right here at the bottom. And then on the back of the Driven hoodie, we got our quote right here from MJ. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. Michael Jordan. So these are the hoodies. So this is what to expect when you get them. I wish you could feel what I feel, but you'll be able to feel it when you receive it. And guys, when you get your piece, take a picture of it. Take a picture of yourself in it for me and tag Soul Travelers Custom Designs, hashtag True Intentions, and let's get this out there. Let's get this message out there. Remember, I'm also going to be sending you your free Soul Travelers t-shirt as well too. So you're actually going to get two packages. You're going to get a package directly from our manufacturer, and then you're going to get a package directly from myself that obviously I make your t-shirts for you. So you get a little bit of love from a couple of different directions. So, but anyways, man, I'm so pumped on this. Actually, I'll give you a little glimpse into what it looks like on. But I'm super, super happy with this though. Super happy with this. And I know you guys will be as well too. So this is a large right here. A lot of times people like their hoodies to fit a little bit bigger. I like mine to be fitting a little bit form fitting. So this is, man, this is a perfect fit right here. This is exactly how I like it. Got the driven position perfect across the chest. True Intentions right there. Don't know if you can see that, but man, looks good, feels good. I love it. I love it. I love it. So anyways, guys, I want to show you this. I'm excited for you to receive yours. Like I said, please make sure to take pictures in them. Take pictures in your stuff. I want to see you in them. I want to see what these look like on you. So anyways, I want to do a little bit of an unboxing so you can see this, because this is exactly what you're going to be receiving. All right. So I hope you enjoyed it. And again, thank you to all of you that have already shown support and purchased your True Intentions gear. For those of you that haven't yet, all good. Just grab it when you can. Grab it when you can, because again, this is bigger than just a piece of clothes. We want to really make an impact in the world through our Soul Travelers apparel and giving you guys the ability to be a part of that process. So it's bigger than you just buying a piece of clothes. It's way more than that. It's way more than that. So anyways, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. And I hope you like your True Intentions gear. Cheers.